So now let's talk about the crossbody lead. So when we were doing this part, I will connect first. So let's give you a very good tip right here. So when we place this hand behind her back, you see, I'm gonna turn her right here. I keep my hand behind, right? And I have some connection right here. So this is from my side and from my arm, right? It's connected to my body. Means if I move my body, she comes with me, right? I move my body, she comes with me. Because it's like attached, it's like one piece, my whole body and the arm. But same thing for you ladies.
Yeah.
If I turn this way, actually now let me show this way. Now, if I'm connected right here and I release my arm, Maria is also connected from my body through her arm, all the way connected through her shoulder
and my
behind the back, right? That means if I turn my body, watch, I don't touch her right here, but I lead her from this shoulder, I lead her back. She's able to follow me because she's connected. If she was not connected, pretty much you would just put the hand on the top, which is why we don't recommend to put the hands on the top or weak, is because if we move, you see, now you don't go anywhere because you were not connected. But if we're doing this, boom, so she follows. So that plus the guy's connection, now we acting like one, right? So we can give more momentum, we can lead more things, etc. So because we are connected.
Yeah, and even though it's a simple crossbody lead, it looks and feels much better when you are both connected. Because I get a lot of this on the dance floor where I'm doing my one, and then the guy just kind of like releases. So yes, I know to go forward on the two because I should know my footwork as a crossbody lead, but it feels better when he's connected and he actually leads me the two. Why? Because we stay as one whole piece. Rather than he just kind of goes, leaves me behind, and then I have to kind of like run and do my two, yeah? It works, I'm not saying it doesn't work, but the feeling and the look of it is totally different when you're both connected as one and we kind of go with it.
It's not the same to do a crossbody lead like this.
Yeah, there's no leading whatsoever. It's just kind of like, okay, I know my step.
6, 7, prepare, 2, 3. 6, 7, prepare. 2, 3, 6, 7, prepare. You see, she doesn't go yet till I bring her with me, right?
Yes.
So
it's just a little tip to how to look and feel more cohesive and connected. Yeah, the feeling is totally different.
Cool.
Yeah.
Thanks so much for watching this video. If you want more information or more videos like this, don't forget to visit our website, mysalsaonline.com. My Salsa Online pretty much is a community that we have. It's classes that we do recorded and also we do on webinar format. So we invite also guest instructors to teach you guys, to give you a lot of tools, a lot of tips and techniques that you need in order to become a better dancer. So if you become a VIP member, you will have access to the full course. How do they get to the web?
All you need to do is click the link in the description and it will take you directly to our website. So if you want more great content like this, visit us at mysalsaonline.com.
Okay, see you on the next video.
See you in the next videos.